PSL Pulse mhlekazi omhle asithethe ngegame yaFandag mfethu ibone kanjani?
Yeah, but it was not a good game, but for a preparation of the World Cup, because we want to see combinations as much as results are important, but we want to see combinations, we want to see the players are ready. First half, I think we started with wingers that are hacking the line, that are preferring to play the ball behind defenders, which means Usibelebele no Murim, and then with the box striker Ufoster. So we try to check maybe what is gonna work for us. So I like when you see now we have many options. Sometimes you can have wingers like Urele or Apolis, they can come and overload the midfielder, or you can use Umurimi or Sibilibile. But I was not happy with the way we took our set pieces, because in the World Cup it's a big stage. The set pieces are half chance. You need to take your penalties, you need to take your free kick and your corner kicks. But this problem is not the Yuko Pros problem. The problem we're also having in PSL. I think the clubs need to start having maybe set piece coach. We need to take set piece serious. But I was very impressed with the team at the back, although we didn't get the pressure. But with the Ocon, Oluwatumakanya, yeah, I'm very impressed. It's rare in South Africa you found a defender that can play with both left and right, balanced, relaxed on the ball. So I was very impressed with the boys, also disappointing with the results, especially in the final third.
Can you talk about when you first heard that you were going to play against this country? Were you expecting maybe a stronger opponent like France, Brazil, or you actually happy with playing a team that's ranked over 100 go FIFA rankings?
I'm not happy about the opponent, but I was preferring to play the stronger countries, even if they're gonna beat us, so that we can get an experience and the exposure. But it seems like with politics, it's not. I don't know if it's politics, because they say to bring these countries you need more money and stuff. But I prefer to play Zambia than this country. I'm not undermining this country, but I would prefer to get maybe Ghana, Zambia, Nigeria. But yeah, we are there. It seems like it's difficult to get friendlies. But yeah, I don't know what I can say.
Thank you so much for your time, my brother.
Okay,
thank you, my brother. PSL Pulse, my